Okay. What's going on, guys? This is your boy Mr. 75 Caprice here with another video showing you guys my latest pickup, which is a 1985 Pontiac Parisienne, which is similar to a box Chevy Caprice. I couldn't vlog the last night because it was too dark, so I figured I'll show you guys in the morning so you guys can take a better look at it. So come on, man, let me show you guys. '85 Pontiac Parisienne. Got a nice bumper. Got a brand new bumper filler. Got the Pontiac emblem. Got the header panel emblem. And it has the chrome trim that goes in the hood, which is in good shape. All original car. This is minor dent right there in the fender. Brand new tires with the original hood caps. Parisienne. We had some rain all night, so that's why all the leaves are falling. They landed all on the car, and probably some on my boat, which I need to winterize it soon. Just waiting on the mechanic. So this one has a nice trim right here. They don't have a light unless it's the Broham one, which has a little light right here. It just has the emblem right there. Nice rag top. This one got manual windows, clean jams, clean rockers. Got split bench seats. Nice dash, no cracks. Original radio. The miles, it has 176,000. Here's the missing door pull thing, which needs to get screwed back on. Show you guys the back seat. Clean rockers. Clean doors. Look at all these leaves. Got the fender skirts. Nice rear bumper. So this is a great starter car. Does need a paint job. Since the paint job does got some cracking already. Hard to see in the video, so I try to show you guys up close. Just a clean, solid old car. Got a ding right here. On your side. Now the cool thing about this car, it came with all the records Came with a lot of cool stuff. Got the owner's manual. All the stuff when you buy a brand new. The window sticker. So yeah, it comes with a lot of record stuff, a lot of cool stuff that came from back in the day. You got a catalog right here. All that comes with the car. Does have a rip right here in the seat. Here's the rockers. Back door. Still needs to get cleaned up, but it's not gonna clean that much. Like I said, it's just a starter car. If you're looking for all original car, this is it. Headliner's not sagging, which means it's probably been replaced. Show you guys under the hood. All original V8 5.0. AC car. Cruise control. Newer battery. Was told by the previous owner. Look at the light works. Like old school, where everything works. Unmolested. Show you guys the trunk. We got a red flag. What is this? Got the factory jack, spear. She's all there. But this one will be up for grass pretty soon. You guys already know what to do. If you guys are interested in this 1985 Pontiac Parisienne, send me a message on Instagram, Mr. 75 Caprice, or message me on here on YouTube, and we can figure out how to get in contact with each other. Car located in Illinois. Got all these beauties out here. Monte Carlo's already sold. Going to California. The Regency is still available. And this one, you guys already know, you have to come correct. It's one of my favorite ones. But anyway, guys, I wanted to show you guys another project that I have. You guys remember the red Corvette I had picked up last week? So remember I had told you I had plans. So I was thinking, yeah, look at all them leaves. Nah, I gotta clean them. Since it's a nice truck, and the reason I bought it was for putting these what you guys think? Should we put these 30s on the short bed, or would that be too much? I don't know. So that was my plan originally. Just haven't had a chance to try them on and see how they look. But I'm having second thoughts. Still debating if I should do it or if I shouldn't. I really wanted to put these on a two-door Tahoe, but I haven't been able to find one that's clean enough to put these on, since these are brand new 30-inch Amani Forge wheels. So what you guys think? Let me put one up next, see what you guys think. It's kind of hard to get a good visual because the wheels are on it. You know, they're mutters, they kind of stick out. But we might have to try one on, see how is it gonna look. Might be too much, might be perfect. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, there's only one way to find out. Trying them out. Well guys, I want you to get in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. Should we try these 30-inch Amanis on the short bed, or should we just sell them, keep them from another car? Or just leave it as is? I don't know. It's a tough one. Now those are small. Well, compared to these. How big of a wheels? 30-inch wheels. Guess we'll find out. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if you still haven't yet. Might be showing you guys this on the next video on 30s. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.